All right, so for this next part, you're going to need a calculator. There's really no way to do this without a calculator. So go grab one. But you'll notice on your calculator, there's only 2 buttons on your calculator that use logs. There's just the plain log, which is log base 10. Remember, if there's no base, it's just log base 10. And then there's the natural log, or log base E. So your calculator actually doesn't have a log base 20 button or a log base 2 button. However, we're going to give you this change of base formula that you want to memorize right now because it's going to be so helpful. But we're going to tell you that the log of A over, the log of B. So let me just kind of explain this. If it's written as the log of any base, so this B could be 20 or it could be 2 of some number A, then you're going to just write in your calculator, hit just your regular log button, put an A right here, and they actually make a parenthesis, so I'll have to do that for you too. Put parentheses right there, or close the parenthesis because they already give you one, and then divide it by the log of B right there. So let's try this in your calculator. Again, grab your calculator so you know what I'm doing as we're going through this. But we're just doing the log of this top number, that 34, and we're going to divide it by the log of 5. So in my calculator, I just hit that log button, 34, close the parenthesis, and then divide it by log of 5, hit enter, and I have 2.191. Let's round to 3 decimal places right there. Okay, that's all you're doing. So again, this calculator is the star of this section. You can't do it without the calculator. So again, you're going to take the log of the higher number, that 98. Always just remember bases go in the bottom, okay? Then you're going to divide it by the log of the base right there, log of 2. So log of 98, close your parentheses, divided by the log of 2, and that gives you 6.615. We'll round to 5 right there. Okay. You can kind of check some of these just to kind of make sure you're in the ballpark. Remember, when you're evaluating these, this is just saying 5 to what power is 34. Well, 5 to some power, it's not going to be a whole number. Obviously, we've got a decimal over here, but just remember 5 to the second power is 25. 5 to the third power is 125. So it's pretty close to 2, but a little bit more. So it's same thing with here. 2 to the 6.6 power is equal to this 98. Okay, let's try this one in the calculator. Log of 4 divided by the log of 20. And plug it in. So log of 4, close parentheses, divided by the log of 20. And I have 0.463. And this one makes sense too. They're saying 20 to what power is 4. Since it's a smaller number, you're going to have a number less than 1. All right, let's try these last 3 here. Here it is, log of 2 divided by the log of 6. In the calculator, the log of 2, close parentheses, divided by the log of 6 equals 0.387 right there. And 2 more. So the log of 225 divided by the log of 3. Grab those calculators. Log 225, close parentheses, divided by the log of 3 is 4.929. So we'll just round it to 93 right there. All right, last one. This is one you can actually do by hand. You can say 8 to what power is equal to 1/2. Well, it's negative because it's in the denominator. It's also going to be a fraction. It's negative 1/3. But let's put it into the calculator. I'll show you how. So it's a log of, and remember, it pops up parentheses as soon as you hit the log button. So just put that 1 divided by 2 in your, and then close the parentheses, and then divided by the log of the base, which was 8. So log of 1 divided by 2, close parentheses, divided by the log of 8, and you have negative 0.3333. And it keeps going for forever, or negative 1/3. All right. All right. Have fun on the homework.